Hi everybody, my name is TJ Wolf and I do Linux and hardware, and today we're taking a look at Royal OS by Kyle Adams. And this was one of my second distros I tried from starting out with Linux, so you guys won't want to guess my first Linux, and everybody knows the #1 distro on DistroWatch, so that was my first Linux, so I tried, so I don't gotta say no more. So anyway, let's take a look at this Royal OS. And no, I'm not sponsoring Beauty and the Beast whatsoever. I did see the movie though, so if you guys are interested in seeing Beauty and the Beast, it's a wonderful movie and fantastic, and it was a great movie, so I recommend it to everybody because I think everybody did a great job, including my favorite character, Emma Watson from Harry Potter. So let's got off track there. Let's talk about Royal OS. You got a Kunky here that Kyle Adams has made and stuff, and I like it. It shows you your hard drive space used and free, and your CPU usage and stuff, your RAM, your battery if you're on a laptop, your temp, your internet and stuff, and that is it for the Kunky. And I customized this to the look and feel I want it to be. Now this is beta, so there is a lot of bugs. So Kyle Adams, if you can say if you're gonna release a second beta with fixes, so other people can try this out and to make sure all the bugs are fixed. I think this might be a long video because I do want to put this in VirtualBox and show everybody the installation too, so sorry if I bore everybody, but I do want to put this in VirtualBox and stuff. So let's just a few issues with the bugs and stuff. I added Clementine doesn't work. I already reported that to Kyle Adams and he said it's gonna be fixed. And I'm not sure why anything would have to do with the icons or whatever, but I know you said something about the add something, icons that start with an A, add wiki or whatever you call them. Sorry, I probably just messed that name up, but I added, this is all run by CoralDoc and stuff, and I just added the music player in case you guys didn't know. CoralDoc, you can put a music cover there, and I added the software and updater so I could get to the additional drivers, and added my NVIDIA. Everything was fine. I got the newest driver there, and I added the software updater, so it does actually look like the same icon. I will be fixing that in the final release, and we do got updates here for that, and I'm just not gonna update that right now. There was an issue with putting Ubuntu software center in CorelDoc, and I believe that's just an issue with CorelDoc and not an issue with the OS. For some reason, I always get this error right here. I'm not sure how to fix it, but everything works fine once you close it out, so I'm not sure why that error always comes up. If anybody knows a fix to that error, please let me know. And as I said before, Clementine didn't work. I'll just put in Clementine. Let me see so I can show you guys the error. Clementine. And this is, well, now it actually started up. But if I go to preferences, it crashes. So I'm not sure what is up with that. Apparently it looks like it doesn't like Kyle Adams icons or whatever, and I'm not too sure why that would have anything to do with starting Clementine. But oh yeah, and by the way, Kyle Adams, if you're watching this, I'd rather have your icons. I don't want to change nothing just to get Clementine to work. I do want to have your icon, so if you're able to fix it so I can have your royal blue icons in Clementine, I would like that. So, and then I did download another player. It's actually a pretty good player, Lollipop, but unfortunately this one does not work either. I'm not sure why. Probably has something to do with the still bugs in the beta, which Kyle Adams will be getting fixed. But I'll show you what happens. I type beauty and it crashes right there. It just closes for some reason, and I'll type it in terminal. And that opens. That opens right there, and I'll just give Kyle Adams this info right now. Seems like it has. Seems like it has a problem somewhere, because if you see, I'll search it here. This thing does the same damn thing too. Beauty. Yeah, see, it crashes. That one crashes too. So I'm a little bit disappointed in that, but this is a beta, so, and then this happens. Okay, it does say I'm missing something, so maybe that's it. I didn't see that before, so I will try getting this. I'll try getting that. I'll leave that open, so I'll try getting that to see if that works and fixes it. So I didn't. You got Synaptic Package Manager, Pigeon, Thunderbird. This is CoralDoc, by the way, and this is running Cinnamon. So I installed GIMP, Steam. Steam was already installed and working. I installed NVIDIA. I installed Simple Screen Recorder just to screen record fast on here. And this is Cinnamon, as you can see, the Cinnamon desktop. And I think he is going to make a KDE desktop. Hopefully it's on the new Plasma, but I'm not sure. Please let us know, Kyle. And basically the same functions as Cinnamon would have, so if you guys really like Cinnamon, please give this a try. Has the same interface as Cinnamon, the weather, the date, the time, what's playing, and show and hide desktop, has transmission. I actually downloaded transmission to get Linux OSs, so it has clipboard history right there in dock, your workspace, show desktop, and I added the logout. Has Chrome by default, which is pretty nice. So that's about it for what has on the Cinnamon Royal OS. He has his custom icons, as you can see, as I really like his custom icons. So yeah, I really like the custom icons he provided. So I'll have to ask him for the blue bubble so I can put icons that he's missing. So I'll have to ask him for his blue bubble icon so I can put put missing ones in there. So I will ask him for that. His page is right here, linux/royal.net. I will put everything in here under the show notes. He has a Facebook group that you can join to get all the updated Royal OS stuff. I'll leave a link to this page because it has all the links to it, so I'll just leave a link to this page. And he also has another group on Facebook called Linux Screenshots, which has a ton of people that post screenshots of their Linux. If you're interested in that, it's an awesome group. A lot of people that you may know or may not know are here. Awesome group. A lot of people post whatever screenshot of Linux they're running. You can take your desktop to a whole nother level and post your screenshot here, and everybody is all supportive and stuff on these two groups, so pretty awesome. And he does have a Google Plus page too, which I haven't been on for some time, and you can get his releases at sourceforge.net. You can see the Royal 16 beta that I'm running right now. This is on real hardware, if I didn't mention that before. And he does have a forum too that I'm in, but I don't really post on his forum all too much, but it's here. So, and I think it's pretty active too, so let me get rid of these right here, and I have to get VirtualBox to show everybody how this is installed. So let me see. Let me see, it should hopefully be in the software. Let me see if it's in here. Forgot to grab this. Sorry guys, I gotta grab this. Thought I already had it. But, let me see, VirtualBox. Seems like an older version is already installed, so I'm just gonna use that. That happened. VirtualBox. I think an older one is installed. What's that? VirtualBox 503. Yeah, this is an older version, so I'm just gonna use this. So I do have it installed. So VirtualBox is already installed, but it's an older version. So I guess if you guys want to upgrade, you guys are gonna have to remove the older one. So let's just make a new one like we did before. Linux Ubuntu 64 Royal OS 16 beta. So I will give it that high, whatever. So let's go to settings. Put this on here. System processor, we don't want display memory. Put that all the way up. That up. Then we want storage. I don't mess with anything else but those. So let's choose our. Oh my god, did I even download this? Give me a second to download this. So if you guys want to know how to download this Royal OS, I'll go to the SourceForge page right here, beta, and you click the beta and you click Royal OS, and this should download the Royal OS. So we will just wait for this 24 minutes. 19 minutes. Hopefully this goes fast. Forgot to do this. Sorry guys. If you guys need to get a drink or something, get yourself a cup of coffee or something, and I'll be back. I'm just gonna get myself another drink. And we're about 8 minutes left to go. Sorry guys for the long wait. If you guys want to skip to the parts, go ahead and do that. You guys can skip, so you guys don't have to watch all this part. Alright, we're almost done. 52 seconds left until this download. And we're done with that. So let's boot it in VirtualBox. Now we will start. We want to go to live. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if this goes. So here we go. This is what it looks like. When you first boot up. And for one thing, I didn't have kodi on here or that log on. I had to add it back, so I'm not sure why I didn't have kodi on here, but I could always re-add it. So let's go back into, where did it go? Oh. Let's go back into there. So we have our system, our conky right here, and the name Royal Apps. He did say he made a mistake on that, which he has to fix, but I actually removed the word. So anyway, let's get to the installer. We'll click on it. So let's go now. Just gonna install it. Yeah. Just gonna do it like that. Continue. Yep, gonna put everything. Just gonna do test. And it's gonna install, and you can see I didn't get this icon either, so I gotta fix that. The kodi icon didn't keep when it installed on there, so I'm not sure why those didn't keep. So it's copying files. That part did it right. Copying files. just a quick note on when I did it on hardware, I clicked the install the Wi-Fi and stuff on installing. I didn't install the updates though, cause there's no need to do that. You can just update it through. Can grab the GNOME software updater and update it through Kyle Adams' repos, whatever he has said so. Now it's installing the system. Now this was the part where I got errors when installing on the hardware. So if you can watch this part, Kyle, you'll see there's some errors in here. This might be the error right here. If you can see that right here, there's an error. And so all I did was hit skip. All I did for those. And I skipped it again and skip it again for the third time. So I don't think I gotta skip it anymore. So I skipped it 3 times for the installer to go through. So Kyle Adams, you do got a couple of errors that need to be fixed with that install. Something, not sure what it is. That screen is too small, if I can make a suggestion too, I do like if you can change the installer somehow with the I like the dialogue installer, the pictures that have the pictures. If you can change it to that, I do like that one. So after I skipped it 3 times, installation is finished, so we're just gonna restart now. And all you guys have to do is hit enter to restart. I think on that screen though, when that screen, you should have words that say please hit enter if you can, Kyle, so people know to hit enter. So just a quick thing when you log in, so it's on CorelDoc now. So let's go to see what CorelDoc what it looks like. So this is what happens. No, this is what. I guess yeah. So for that you get a blue screen. Not sure why that. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it or what. Log out. And for some reason it doesn't log out. So for that one, for the CorelDoc one, I don't know, it seems like something's wrong with this environment. Log out. I don't know if it's gonna let us log out. So I'll just reset the machine so we can go back to the cinnamon one. But I'm not sure what happened to that environment. So in order to get the environment, just hit cinnamon and you'll be on it. And a quick thing, I've always had a glitch with the hardware still, but an easy fix if you guys do get that glitch is because the path to the yeah, as you can see when you boot in the Royal, there's no kodi on the dock, or I'm not sure what this is, but the other file thing isn't here. I'm not sure what else is missing, but a couple of things on the dock are missing. So I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be. Kyle, maybe you can explain that. So this still is beta though, so I'm surprised for everything. I don't know, everything works pretty much okay except for Clementine music. I don't know, certain music players. The Lollipop one, I'm not sure what other music player is really good to try, so only two I wanted, because I'm trying to find one that integrates Spotify so I can use with a CorelDoc music player, but it seems like Spotify itself you can't integrate with that, so yeah, so that was everything in this video you've seen, so I'm gonna be waiting for the final release, cause I really like this build and Kyle Adams custom themes and icons. I really do like it, and hopefully you can sort all them bugs out and put everything back in here. So I'll see you guys next video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I didn't bore you too much, and see you next time. Still working on my respin, so that kind of got delayed with a few other things I've been working on, so I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, a big thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Bye now.